Hello friends and family from around the world, this is Mike with Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on November 30th, 2022. Welcome everyone to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to the Volcanic Activity Report, and as well planetary positioning for week 48, 2022. Thank you all for joining me today. Thanks for inviting me into your living room, checking out here the positions of our planets as they are right now, as we have a very close approach with Mars in effect, and as well Mercury on the other side of our sun with Venus, and all of our planets still in one corner of the solar system right now, and will be for quite some time. Looking here for our planetary positioning from week 48, November 30th to December 15th, as we will see Mars transition that close approach heading into first week of December. And we've had quite a few events erupt as of late. Mauna Loa Eruption, and as well all of the earthquakes around the world. Earth is going through some big time changes right now, thanks to planetary positioning and as well Solar Cycle 25. Big changes happening right now. Big volcanoes awakening. Mauna Loa awakening after 38 years. Let's have a look at all of the active and erupting volcanoes across the planet, as we have 50 that are erupting across the world. As of today, Volcano Discovery reporting 50 volcanoes. So let's start out here in the Mediterranean, where we have Stromboli and as well Etna. New eruption there on the 28th and the 16th for Stromboli. Get to Africa here, where we have Erta Ale. Central Africa with Nyiragongo and Nyamiragira. Northeast Africa here with El Doño Lengai volcano. Off the coast of Madagascar here, Mauritius Island, Piton de la Fournaise, last erupted October 5th. Carrying on here to the Indian Ocean, where you have the Barren Island volcano. Sumatra here with Kerinci volcano. Indonesia, Java, Krakatoa, Merapi, and as well Semeru, Luwotolo. Up into northern Indonesia here with Dakono and Ibu. As well, elevated alert since October, Tal volcano. And then we get to Japan here with Suwanosejima, and as well Sakurajima, and Era in Japan, not noted here. Submarine volcanoes Nishinoshima, and as well Ai, just erupted on the 26th. And then we get to the very busy island of Kamchatka, where we have Alade, as well Chikarachi and Eboko. Karamiski, Bezimiani, and as well Shevelich. Notable here, Kluchevskoy, showing signs of unrest since the 25th. A lot has happened in this past week. Across the Aleutian Islands, Great Sitkin volcano, and as well Pavlov. Notable here, Cleveland, Takawanga, and as well Semisnopochnoi. All since the 24th, 25th, we've had some big-time activations across the Ring of Fire. And then, of course, on the 28th, we had Mauna Loa Eruption, and, of course, ongoing Kilauea. Over to Papua New Guinea now. The Kadavor volcano, as well Manam, Langila, and Bagana. Down into the Solomon Islands, New Caledonia, Aoba volcano. As well, yes sir. Notable down here, Taupo showing signs of unrest, and White Island showing minor activity. And then down into the Antarctic, the mighty Erebus. Over to East Ring of Fire into Mexico with Popocatépetl. As well notable through these regions, Santiaguito, Fuego, San Miguel, and as well Masaya, and Rincon de la Vieja. So 6 volcanoes just in that area, and 4 active here through Ecuador and Colombia, Nevadas de Ruiz, Reventador, Cotopaxi. Now I wanted to show you guys here, Cotopaxi is a very large volcano and has not erupted in almost 600 to 800 years, but it is now showing signs of activity. Quick look here, Google Earth, at what Cotopaxi looks like now, and that is a massive volcano. Look at the caldera on that thing. And through the region, very active region of the Ring of Fire, you can see all these snow-capped large volcanoes through the region. Cayamba, and as well Endocina. So heads up everybody, we have 50 erupting volcanoes across the planet, and we could have more in the works here. So stay tuned, aware and prepared. Carrying on here with Sangay in Ecuador, and as well Sabancaya in Peru. Down into Chile with Nevadas de Chilean, Copihu erupted on the 19th, and as well Villarrica. And that is the active and erupting volcanoes across the world, as we have 50. And we've been up towards these numbers for the past 2 years now. We were sitting at about 35 to 40 about 3 years ago. And now we've been up over 46 to 52 volcanoes active and erupting across the world. Notable region here, look at all the earthquakes recently with volcano discovery. And as well, Japan. And then the very active region of Kamchatka. Across the Pacific Plate, a lot of activity. Notable regions here with earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Much love, everybody. Stay aware and prepared. Having a look here at the SO2 forecast. Look at that huge plume of SO2 coming out of Mauna Loa. It is set to sweep right across North America, a long line of SO2 being wrapped up in that Pacific wind. Large low pressure center moving down the coastline is going to help fuel all of this SO2 right over North America. It looks like it will be penetrating California in the coming days, but literally stretching halfway across the Northern Hemisphere. Heads up, stay safe, stay aware, prepared, and be ready, folks. Big changes coming to Earth right now. Overlooking high intensity SO2 coverage there. Quite a big plume still coming off of Kamchatka as well. Overlooking the Atlantic and as well South America. Notable notable Cotopaxi volcanic eruption. Huge SO2 plume coming out of South America. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from. Much love, everybody. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your daily doom. We'll see you for tonight's video update. Bye-bye now. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.